Hey guys, hope doing well. This is medical stethoscope to listen to the bio sounds, and this one is the electronic version working with piezo element. Usually we think the piezo element work only as a speaker, but this is not correct. Over transistor and LM386 we can make super sensitive mic, and it is work. Look at the pot not even going to quarter of range, not the mid range, not the quarter range to end. Look, the loop is very powerful, as you can see when I'm pushing or tagging the piezzo. And it is very well to listen the bio sound. And with a nice box, it is completely able to replace with the mechanical version. This project I find in Dubai electronic shop for like 15 dirhams, around 3 or 4 bucks, and I tried to make a nice non-commercial copy just for fun and just for hobby. This version, mine, is a little bit compact, and also I replaced the 547 transistor with the JFET, this one. Also, I used the regular pots, 3 mid pots here, because of this version. It's hard to find the old one, and it is very hard to tune. As you can see, you need something like this to tune pots. Very good. So this is green copy, non-commercial, working with LM386, and this one is the stencil of this project. I will try to leave it down below the link in the GitHub, and this is the PCB boards the company sent to me. Very good. It is very nice to listen to heartbeat sound and breathing sound and other bio sounds. The power is 9 volt for the biomedical or biologic circuits. Never use DC-AC converters for 2 reasons. First, for security reasons. Second, for the noise. With the battery, you are safe, and less than 12 milliamps, 9 volt is good safe to test the electronic projects. Thanks for watching. I will try to make more projects about biomedical circuits. Goodbye.